I've been looking for those. Bubble tea. And I finally found them. I'm getting the mango one. And then my newfound favorite drink. A couple other things. Ready? We only got a couple things from Target. But I've been looking for these bubble teas. I can't wait to try them. I'm gonna tell y'all. I'll try it with y'all. Let y'all know how it is. My favorite drink, my man put me onto this, is blood orange sparkling drink. So good. And all we got was drinks. And then we got our protein shake. I got vanilla, Owen, and he got vanilla tea. This is just extra, I think double the protein. Got one of my new favorite sodas too. Strawberry vanilla. And then I've been looking for this so I can have some at work. My morning break. Fruit and cream. Then my job, they gave us a little gift for the holidays. They gave us this cocoa bomb and a cutting board. It has the name of the company on the front. That's why I'm not showing it, but a little cute little something.
Niggas like to sway. Know some young niggas like to sway.
So I'm in the beauty supply store trying to find some hair. So I'm gonna do my hair tonight. And I was looking through my old videos. You can see this video. I be forgetting sometimes what I use. So I used this hair, but it was 14 inches. All they have is 12 and 18. I don't want them to be too long. I want them to look like kinky twists. I'm talking fast because we gotta go to a couple stores. So I'm just gonna grab this and do my hair tonight and see how it turn out. I just got this little dried looking puff in my hair. And I believe this is the hair that I use on my passion twist video that went viral. I think I got like 3 million views still. It's a couple years ago, but I still get questions about the hair I use. This is the hair. I might as well grab me some lashes while I'm in here too.
Every day spilling up drain. She want the whole crew, shorty break. When the money talks, what is there to say? Blow away, watch it blow away. When I die, can't take it to the grave.
Hello. How you doing? I'm good. I'm gonna get these. I'm not gonna. You got cute little nails and everything. You have any samples today?
No.
He in that line, y'all. So, wait, man. Gotta cross the street because they're only playing in this parking lot. When y'all go to the beauty supply stores, they be stingy, but they usually have samples in there. So, ask them, do they have any samples? Because they give you samples. Because product vendors who try to get their products in the stores, they always give samples to the store to give to their customers, and they be real tight with their samples. So I always ask. Most of the time they give it to me, but I feel like they only give it to you if you spend over a certain amount and if they want to. Because I be spending money in the beauty supply store. Hair ain't cheap. Even, you know, braiding hair, it adds up when you buy a lot of packs. So I always ask, y'all got any samples? Because I did that one time with my sister. She was like, oh, I didn't know they could do that. Yeah, girl, as much money as you spending here, like crochet hair and stuff. Get your samples. We about to go back to Target. We went to Target last night. I showed y'all what we got. And we really didn't have a list. I like to have a list when I go to stores because that helps me to stay on track and get what I really want instead of grabbing unnecessary items. So last night we kind of really didn't have a list. My man, he did want to get La Roche-Posay face lotion. I'm laughing because I remember wait a minute. When I got that lotion and I got that moisturizer, and I didn't tell him, well, who won't tell him how much it costs? It don't make a difference. I just do it I just do it inside the cart. And then when it was time to check out, he was like, what? How much that cost? I said, listen, babe, it's good. I like it. Just get it. So who is on La Roche-Posay now? Him. So he want to go get some moisturizer for himself. They have a new matte moisturizer, which I want to try that too because we both got oily skin. But he used my moisturizer yesterday. And he was like, what is this, nice? I said, yeah, you gotta get your own because he ain't used all my moisturizer in a day. Heavy-handed. If we don't get it, I'm gonna insert a picture here of the new moisturizer and a new, I'm gonna say, face lotion. Hopefully this Target we go to today have it. So yeah, I just got this little Wrigley puff in my head, and we're going to Target and probably to the grocery store. So y'all just going to the stores west today. Target, Aldi's, and Giant. I don't think I took y'all to the market, inside the market with me in a while. So let's go head on to the market.
Coasting, gripping grain. Going through the money like a fade. Don't say my name in vain. I'm so glad that you came. All these bad bitches getting slain. Broke ass nigga get a clue. All these niggas know how we do. Know some young niggas like to sway. Know some young niggas like to swing. Big bang, take little bang. Every day spilling up drain. She want the whole crew, shorty break. When the money talks, what is there to say? Blow away, watch it blow away. When I die, can't take it to the grave.
Been waiting so long, I'm here to answer your call. I know that I shouldn't have had you waiting at all. I've been so busy, but I've been thinking about what I wanna do with you. I know them other guys, they've been talking about the way I do what I do. They heard I was good, they wanna see if it's true. They know you're the one I wanna give it to. I can see you want me too. Now it's me and you. Now I've been waiting, for you to make that move. Now, baby, tell me if you like it. Tell me if you like it. Now I've been waiting, for you to make that move. Now, baby, tell me how you like it. I was waiting for you.
They got it, y'all. This is the moisturizer. So La Roche-Posay had it. For Skin Innovation. Restore healthy looking skin. Double repair matte moisturizer for oily and combination skin. This is the one we were looking for. They have a cleanser, but I don't think they have the. There's the cleanser right here? Is it? You sure?
Yep.
Well, you sure, babe? You said it's the cleanser that they have online. I thought it was something else. You sure? You got a picture of it in your phone? This is the moisturizer I usually, well, this is the moisturizer I've been using for over a year now. It has SPF 30 in it. So yeah, this Target is a whole lot better. We still out and about. We at Walmart. My little drink from the hub, it was okay. It wasn't too sweet. I like sweet drinks. It wasn't that sweet, but look what I found in Walmart. This is my absolute favorite deodorant, Dove Active Care. The shea butter one. Been looking for this for months. I cannot find this out. Some jams so to do my hair. And we're on a roll today. We thought we had to order my deodorant and his La Roche-Posay face moisturizer. We found it in the stores today. After this, we are going home, I think.
What to do if only you would let me? As long as you're cool with it, I'll treat you right. Here is where you wanna be. I know them other guys, they've been talking about the way I do what I do. They heard I was good, they wanna see if it's true. They know you're the one I wanna give it to. I can see you want me too. And now it's me and you.
I got a new tripod from Amazon. I like it because it's sturdier than the one that I had. And then also my phone could fit on it. It has a piece for my phone, and it has a remote control where I could press start, stop if I'm recording a video or taking pictures. Whew, I'm tired. We've been out all day long. You're ready to wash my hair, but I wanted to show y'all the items that we got. So first from Target, Christmas will be long gone and over by the time this go up. So I got this purse for my niece for Christmas. One of her Christmas gifts. Isn't that so cute? I think I showed this purse in one of my other vlogs. Well, I saw it at Target like in the beginning of the fall, and they ran out of them. I'm like, dang, I should have got it for myself. But then I saw it again today. I was like, I'm gonna get her this. Cute. And then I just got her a wallet to go, you know, with her purse, the regular wallet. I wanted the burgundy wallet to match the purse, but I didn't see any small burgundy ones that could fit in here. Plus black goes with everything, so. Then I got this little lip gloss. Don't mind my hands are super ashy, but lip balm, lip oil. I don't like it. I really don't like it. We found his moisturizer at Target. I showed y'all La Roche-Posay moisturizer. Nice size. This is the moisturizer that I use. So I showed y'all that in the store as well. But I used the one that has SPF 30 in it. This one does not. But it's matte. I think I'm gonna try this and see if I like it. If I do, I'll get my own. Because I do have Black Girl sunscreen. So I could just use this and use sunscreen with it. And I've been loving this. I brought this like a week or two ago. You see, I've been using a lot of it. This is the La Roche-Posay Purifying Foaming Cleanser for normal to oily skin. I like this. It does not irritate my skin. It says it's soap-free, sulfate-free, oil-free, fragrance-free, allergy-tested, paraben-free. Really gentle because I do have sensitive skin and has not irritate under my eye area. That's where I usually have the most issues. Feels so good. I like this. So this will definitely be a staple in my collection. Walmart got me some more Lush Jam. I'm going to do my hair, start it tonight, finish it tomorrow. I've been looking for this deodorant for like a month and a half now. This Dove deodorant is my favorite. And I said if I find it in store, I'm going to buy every last one of them that they have. So I brought 3 of them. I think I left one on the shelf. I should have brought the 4th one too. But this is my favorite deodorant. Love it. Okay, if you see it, grab it. You will not be disappointed. Beauty supply store. I like to grab a pair of lashes. I usually have some on me, but I just grab one every time I go. Just so I can have more. I don't think I used this one before. I can't remember, but they look pretty. I like to get the lashes with a thin lash band. You can see. I don't like it to be thick because it looks too fake. So as long as it's a thin lash band, I can see space in between. I'll go with that. And I got 4 packs of this Jamaica Kingston Swiss hair. I have a video on my channel. I don't know if I'm going to record me doing my hair, but I have a video on my channel. I'll pop it up right here. Me doing this style. It's kind of short. Yeah, I have 4 packs of this, and I'll start my hair tonight or tomorrow. I have more of my favorite hand sanitizer, TOUCHLAND. So I've been carrying this one in my purse, and it's almost gone. I have 2 new ones. This one is Beach Cocoa. And this one, so freaking cute. Isn't that cute? Mango Passion Scented. I do have a discount code. If you want to save 10%, use my discount code. It's right here. And I do have another one, Rainwater. Love their hand sanitizer. So cute, small and sleek. You can slide it right in your purse. It don't take up any room. Really do like these. Again, if you want to save 10% on TOUCHLAND, go ahead and use my discount code. Love them. Oh, I got some pants from Zara. They're so freaking cute. They were on sale for $22. And I love the color. The color is sea green. They right there sitting on my stool with all my other pants. They were originally $45. Let me try these on for y'all real quick. They're really long. And they come in this color, white, and I think tan. They are super long, and I like the material. So